Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Welcome back, children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I have a kite. It is colorful. Again, I have a kite. It is colorful. Your turn to read, children. I have a fish. It is small. Again, I have a fish. It is small. Your turn to read, children. I have a book. It is thick. Again, I have a book. It is thick. Your turn to read, children. I have a friend. She is kind. Again, I have a friend. She is kind. Your turn to read, children. I have a brother. His name is Ben. Again, I have a brother. His name is Ben. Your turn to read, children. I have a sister. Her name is Anna. Again, I have a sister. Her name is Anna. Your turn to read, children. I have a plant. It has flowers. Again. I have a plant. It has flowers. Your turn to read, children. I have a doll. Its hair is black. Again. I have a doll. Its hair is black. Your turn to read, children. I have a ball. It is big. Again. I have a ball. It is big. Your turn to read, children. I have a swing. It is red. Again. I have a swing. It is red. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Let's start. I have a kite. It is colorful. I have a fish. It is small. I have a book. It is thick. I have a friend. She is kind. I have a brother. His name is Ben. I have a sister. Her name is Anna. I have a plant. It has flowers. have a doll. Its hair is black. I have a ball. It is big. I have a swing. It is red. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.